Hello fuckers, Archie Luxury here, and today fuckers I want to talk about extending the life of your Patek or luxury wristwatch strap. Now let's have a look here fuckers. I want to show you, this is a piece that's very very dear to me fuckers, and it's my Patek Calatrava, and I was rummaging around at Brisbane Vintage Watches and I noticed this really cute Boz strap, and it's got a lizard. I mean, it's just cow leather, but it's got a lizard pattern. And I kind of thought to myself, you know, I really love the original Patek Philippe strap, but fuckers, it ain't gonna fucking last long if you start, you know, it's just so delicate. And even the buckle in white gold there, you want to be so careful with it. I mean, that's a fucking expensive thing if you fuck that over. So fuckers, let's put on a generic strap. So here we go. So firstly, to get the Patek thing off, it's got these really cool spring bars, and I just push the lever and it releases it. So that's our first one off. Now let's get the next fucker out of here. Let's get the next fucker. Let's hope it's as easy as the first fucker. So here we go fuckers. Let's get this fucker out of here. Come on you little bitch. Fuckers. Come on you little fuckers. Come on fuckers. I think I'm pushing it. You just never know which end you're supposed to push. Ah, fuckers, come on. Oh, I got the bitch out. There we go. We got it out. And there we go. We got my beautiful Calatrava. So, let's just have a look here. That's the original strap. And I'm going to fit this this Boz strap. So, you know, it just gives it a nice bit of, it makes it fucking usable. I don't want to wear out my original. You know what I'm saying, fuckers? Look at that. I can put a nice lizard strap on. And I mean, it's not as cool as the Patek strap, but fuckers, I don't have the white gold bezel, sorry, the white gold fucking buckle. I'm a bit scared of fucking that up. And, you know, it's just want to be a bit delicate. So, fuckers, I want to bring this back into service. So, okay, now what we'll do now is, we'll just, this has never been used before, this one here. So, I'm just going to put a little bit of a, just feed our stick in there, just so we can, so now we'll take our spring bars out of here. Let's push these fuckers out. Push these fuckers out. There we go. We got that out. So that's the first spring bar. So let's have a look here, fuckers. So we'll put it. Let's have a look, fuckers. It's not quite as easy as it seems there. We'll just enlarge the hole a bit, fuckers. Fire in the hole, fuckers! Fire in the hole. So we'll push that in. Let's have a look. There we go. We've just pushed it in a little bit. Push that fucker in. Push that little fucker in. That's it. So and that's where we've got to put our little stick in there to get rid of the fucker later. So that's how we're going to do it. It's that little, look, see that little lever there. So you can see. This is a bitch to get in focus. You know what I mean? So you could even cut that with a little knife. You could even cut that with a little knife if you wanted to, fuckers. So let's just pause that for one moment. So fuckers, I'm just going to get the knife and I'm just going to cut it ever so gently. Just cut this little fucker. There we go. I'll put a little cut in there. And what that's going to do is, that's going to tell us that's the side where the little thing I've got to push. See what I mean? So I've just trimmed that just to make it a little bit easier there. So now let's put this bastard in place. So we'll put the end that doesn't have the cut in. Okay, come on little fucker. Come on little fucker, come to Archie. He's always a fucking bastard. Oops, I'm doing the wrong end, no wonder. Okay, that end in first. Come on little fuckers. Okay, come on you little bastard. Fuck, how can this be fucking hard to do? Fucking little bastard it is. Okay, we've done that end, great. And now I'm going to push this fucker in. Push it in. And presto, that's on. Look at that, fuckers. Nice job there, Archie. Nice job indeed. So now you can see the end I've cut there. So I'm just going to put the other stick in. Get the other stick out of here. So we'll get this fucker out. Just push it out. Push it out. And now I'm going to put that into this one over here. So fuckers, firstly, just make the holes a bit bigger with this is my beef skewer. And then fuckers, we'll put it in this way here. Getting the little bastard in is always the trick. Come on you little fucker. Little fucking asshole of a... They're just such bastards. You know what I mean? They're just fucking hard to do this at times. It's fucking... It always pisses you off. Go you fucker. I'll give you a fucking second asshole. That's right. I'll give you a fucking second asshole, you bastard. So there we go. I put it in there. So that's... Now we get our nice... Yeah, show me that fucking knife. That's the knife. Okay, cut the fucker. Did that cut? I hope that cut. Did that fucking cut? Yeah, it's sort of cut. It's just, I don't want to cut it too much, but it's clearly, yeah, that's fucked. That's good. That's good. I cut that little fucker. So now we'll put that in there. Now I just want to push this little fucker into place. I can use the lever to push this bitch into place. Ah, fuck, I dropped my skewer. Come on, you little bastard. Push that into place, and presto, there we go, fuckers. Look at that. It's looking very, very smart. So, fuckers, this is how you do it, fuckers. Okay, we'll just use that knife once more there. I'll just cut the strap off here, fuckers. Cut that fucker off. Okay, that's off. And there we go. We've fitted and you know, this is just a nice, it's just a strap to have there. It's just a nice strap to put onto the piece. I like it. I just think it's made it usable. It's made it very, very usable. What's the length like? Oh, it's about the same. It's a little bit longer, which is, it's always, Archie's a bit bigger. You know, he's a bit bigger than normal. So, yeah, there we go. That's our Patek. So, yeah, there you go, fuckers. That's how it works. I'm Archie Luxury. Tell me what you fuckers think of that.
Hello fuckers, Archie Luxury here. Very, very simple bit of advice. If you're in Brisbane, Australia, and you're looking for a wristwatch, either new or used, or you're looking for a wristwatch repair, come and see my friends at Brisbane Vintage Watches. These are good fuckers to deal with. They're honest, they're enthusiasts, they love watches, and they'll look after you. And best of all, they're one of the best dealers I know of. And I really love the guys at Brisbane Vintage Watches. So fuckers, if you're looking for a wristwatch in Brisbane town, Australia, please contact my friends at Brisbane Vintage Watches. See you later, fuckers.